Good evening, classmates. I am Ian Invierno, and this is my introduction for DSUS 301. Something about myself. I am a graduate of BS Food Technology from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. I am also a graduate of Master in Technology Management from the University of the Philippines, Diliman. I am passionate about food. I am passionate about how it is produced, how it is distributed, how it is consumed by our consumers. That's why I enrolled in Diploma in Organic Agriculture from the University of the Philippines, Open University. I also took a Diploma in Supply Chain Management at the College of St. Benilde. I wanted to integrate everything I learned for me, for us to contribute to the sustainability of our food systems, to ensure security of our food, not just now, but in the future. That's why I am taking my doctorate in sustainability. I wanted to focus my research on sustainable food systems. I am very passionate about how to reduce hunger. I am passionate on how each and every one of us can help in reducing hunger in our region, in our country, and far-fetched may it seem, but hopefully we can help reduce incidences of food hunger globally. I wanted to contribute to the balance of knowledge in terms of sustainability and sustainable food systems. I'm here at Capital Commons, and the interconnectedness of everyone, how our food consumed, how our food lost, how our food wasted, and how are these trees, shrubs, plants assist in reducing or even contributing to the food losses, food waste, and the sustainable food systems. More consumer, more people flock together in this area. Does it mean that we are producing more waste, or we are helping, or we can help in advocating to reduce food losses and food hunger in the Philippines or in the region? Well, all that question we can answer soon after we take up DSUS 301, 302, and after we graduate. Maraming salamat po, and good night.